Now, just as the sun can damage your skin, it can also damage those natural fibers like wood outside on your wood deck. So it needs to have somewhat of a sunscreen to protect it.
For a deck, that comes in the form of a wood stain, which beautifies the wood and prolongs its life. New wood needs a little time to cure before it's stained, so check it by pouring a cup of water on the surface to see if it's absorbed within 30 seconds or so. Before staining, the surface needs to be cleaned well to prepare it. A concentrated cleaner brightener mixed with water is a great way to get it ready. Apply it to the wood and scrub it in with a stiff bristled nylon brush. Then let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes before rinsing it all off. Normally you would need to let the wood dry for 2 or 3 days before applying the stain. But this new product called One Coat from Flood can be applied while the wood is still damp. Whether you roll it on or spray it on, be sure to back brush the stain so that it works it down into the pores of the wood. This is part of the protection it provides. Besides blocking the sun's UV rays, the stain also seals these pores, preventing water from entering them and leading to earlier decay.
One of the side benefits of staining your deck is because you're sealing off the pores, you're also going to be discouraging any dirt from getting down in the pores. That means the deck will stay a lot cleaner for a lot longer.